there when the price hits, on awake, ready to go. The price that I'm looking to probably potentially buy back into the market is definitely right here around this 29 price. Weekly though, the weekly and monthly is typically where I like to look at for my Bitcoin price action, just because I tend to get caught up a little too much looking at these 4 hour and the daily price action. We literally see here price action on the 4 hour can literally retrace 100%. Doesn't matter which direction you're going. It can retrace. This candlestick got a almost 100% retracement from the last candlestick. Same with this one. All kinds of stuff. So it's best to just be careful with the Bitcoin selling of the Bitcoin, buying of the Bitcoin, just in Bitcoin in general. Just keep in mind, the way that it fluctuates, its volatility. It's very rough. It's very violent, similar to a lot of our other plays that we have here. But I truly believe that the only way to the top is to make sure that you look at things that other people aren't doing, right? And so one thing in general is this Bitcoin play. I notice a lot of people are probably buying. A lot of people want to keep on buying, keep on getting these gains, and that's okay. It's just the way I look at it is it's not a time to buy yet. So when would it be a time to buy free trades? I would say anytime it hits these major price levels. Of course, these are these are dynamic though; they're not fixed, and so because of that, they're variable and they keep on moving. And this yellow line is probably never going to be here for too long. It's probably going to come up here. It's probably going to go along this Ichimoku cloud here. And it might come back up to 29 by the time we're ready to buy. The 200-day moving average might definitely well be at 29,000. Now, it's one of those things we have to be patient and be cautious during our trading. Make sure that we're keeping an eye on these levels for when we do see these levels. Of course, this is what's happening now. It's very convoluted when we look at what happens in the market, when we look at what's going on in the world. It's very convoluted because all we have is we have a live tick by tick, data of what's going on. That's all we have. And what we're really basically trying to do here is we're trying to predict the future with the information that we already have. Right? And so how do you do that? That's the multi-million-dollar question right there. So let's keep an eye on here. Let's keep an eye on this Bitcoin price. It looks like it's about to start buckling and come down, not gonna lie. It definitely looks pretty good for the sell right here. It failed the breakout like on the pound yen. Remember the pound yen had a similar daily chart right here where it did not fail on the breakout. And so therefore we're going to continue going higher on this one. But this bad boy here failed the breakout. Therefore we are going to continue going downwards. More than likely 29,000 on the daily is our 200-day moving average, or based on the strong uptrend, we could even potentially look at the 96 moving average at $43,599. Our best case scenario, of course, would be 11 grand on the weekly, 11,000 on the weekly, coming down to the 200-day moving average of 11,500. So yeah, stay tuned, you guys. This is the end of day on Thursday, going into a new week Friday. This is pretty much the last day of the week. I'm just gonna cash out everything tomorrow. So stay tuned.